All right, y'all, we're gonna make some sour cream chicken enchiladas. We're gonna start with 2 breasts of shredded chicken. I already cooked and shredded it. And then we're gonna put in about a tablespoon of taco seasoning over the top there. And we're gonna do some Rotel and just pour that in there. Just kidding, Rotel. Just trying to stir the pot here.
Gotcha.
No pun intended. And then we got some cream of chicken. We're gonna do half the cream of chicken. Don't do the whole thing, all right? Half of it. A little bit more. Okay. All right. Want to save that half for later. Something else. We're gonna need that. All right. So now that we got all that together, we're gonna stir it up, get it all mixed together. All right. So now that that's good and mixed together, we're gonna take our tortillas and just put some of this in each one. Okay. Then we fold it up. And this part is important, y'all. If you don't have experience making enchiladas, you want to put it seam side down.
Oh.
Don't have that seam up, or my abuelita is gonna yell at you, you know. So just keep spooning them into there. Make sure, you know, don't skimp, but also make sure you have enough room to be able to fold it. Get that seam side down. See, this one I might have done a little too fat. If I stuff it in there, I think we're good. If I was cooking this with my mother-in-law, she could even show you how to make some handmade corn tortillas. It's looking good. Okay, now next step. Take a small mixing bowl here. You want to take that cream of chicken where we left half of it in there. See, there's still half in there. Dump that in there. All right, now you got that half a can in there. We're going to put 8 ounces of sour cream in there. And then we're going to do 1 cup of whole milk, which is about half of this. Actually, it's exactly half of this. Put a little bit more. All right, there we go. Then we're going to mix all that together. All right, now that we got all that mixed together, we're going to pour that mixture over the top of the enchiladas. That looks good, don't it?
It's amazing.
Okay, now that we got all that, and just spread it. Make sure you got it evenly spread over the top there. Finally, once you got all that on there, you're gonna take a bunch of cheese. I hand shredded this. That's why it's so small and pretty and kind of clumping together, because that's how it is when you actually shred your cheese. And just spread it over the top. All right, it's looking pretty good and cheesy to me. All right, we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 20 minutes. All it needs is 20 minutes, and we'll come back and take a look. All right, let's take a look. Oh, brother.
Wow.
Look at that. Man, that looks awesome. Okay, this is great. Oh, I love how the sour cream, and make sure you get that aerial view of it too. Show the people what's up. All right, I'm just gonna let it cool for just a few minutes, and then we're gonna try this thing. Get this guy right here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Man, I cannot wait to put this in my mouth. That is really one of my favorite enchiladas I've had. Like, I'm not even saying it just because I made it. It really, man, you people who think cooking sour cream is weird, I'm telling you, you gotta try it, and then you'll see for yourself why I gotta keep eating this right now, and I have to end this video. So Try it, people.